Good morning, guys. This is vlog 84 for Phon-Er Gold, and we just got our awesome, beautiful coffee. The best ever, especially when it's 86 degrees today. So, and it's 79, so we're good. So yeah, so right now we are driving to a mechanic shop to redo on an iPhone 6 Plus. I guess the screen that we had installed earlier. And we've done this customer already like 3 times. For some reason, like his phone is not corresponding to any screens. I think it's his phone, but I'm gonna look at it this time when I go and inspect really thoroughly of what's really bothering the. It's kind of like it feels like his phone is damaging the screens. It's the frame or something. So yeah, so we're gonna just go and complimentary swap the screen one more time to make sure the customer is happy. And it's a friend of ours, so he's cool and we're cool. So. And we're gonna do that, and then so we'll show you how it goes. So stay tuned. Oh, I'm so yawning. So sleepy. Last night I slept at 3 in the morning, and I woke up at 9 today. So 6 hours, not enough, I guess. And last night I drove a lot, like 140 miles, so I'm tired. Yep. Okay, guys. So we'll see you outside at the mechanic shop. We're going. It's called JJ Auto Repair, Auto Body. They're on Vine and like a block down from Santa Monica, so right there, and we should get that in like 10-15 minutes. So we'll see you guys there. Stay tuned, and we'll be back. Peace. Cut. See you soon. Hey guys, we're here. We are just settling down and setting up shop for us to take care of this 6 Plus screen. That is the function. So I'm just normal, huh?
Yeah, good. Thanks, Dad.
Perfect. Occasion weer direct, dus ik een bandje niet. Ja.
Zie je mij dit volgens mij naar je
Hij mij dit met ons met. Kunnen we af en toe
gaan? After nee, iemand naar je tar weer.
Hey guys, we just finished the 6 Plus LCD as you saw. And then we just had another customer that just came. We're gonna give them a really good price on the iPhone 7 that is really killed. As you can see, the display, even the LCD is cracked because you can see that line in the middle. Everything is damaged. I'm actually sitting inside of the phone. It's really bad. So we gave him a really good deal, like $110, which is really good. Usually it's like I charge usually $150 on this, but he was a friend of a friend, so I was like, okay, I'll just hook you up. And here's our brand new iPhone 7 LCD. It's the original Apple one. It's a pressure screen, and that's what we want to install. Original. Cool. We're gonna put this aside and take this apart first. So let's do this. Enjoy.
Thank you. it. Here we go. Then we'll put it with a charger. Here we go. Okay guys, that's about it. This is iPhone 7, space gray. We just fixed, brand new screen, original Apple. Everything works, so we're gonna just get back to the customer and collect our money, our payments. So that's about it for vlog 84. Thank you for watching. This is Phon-Er Gold, and we'll be seeing you in 85. See you soon. Peace. Cut.